Welcome back, loves. Today I am bringing y'all the Springy Afro from Outre, and this is their quick ponies. First things first, all you're gonna need is your eco styling gel, a brush, your bobby pins, and of course your rubber bands or hair ties, whichever floats your boat. Right now I'm just taking out my braids, and of course whenever you take out braids you feel amazing and just not confined, so that's what you're seeing here. For this style we're going to do a high ponytail. All I'm doing is just brushing out my hair after I took out the braids, just to make sure we don't run into any snags or run into any really just any complications for lack of a better word. But yeah, so once I'm done with that, I go ahead and kind of get an idea of where I want to place my ponytail, and once I've done that, I will add the eco styling gel. It holds so well for my 4C hair. As you can see, I am taking a brush and then I'm also adding the gel as I'm smoothing out, those kinks. Now, my hair is not necessarily thick, it's more of like a medium density. Whenever I use eco styling gel, I'm able to basically get it pretty flat, putting it up in a ponytail, and I'm brushing and applying more gel just so that I get a smoother finish. As you can see, the back, which is something that I am just really OCD about, is my nape area. And to finish off the foundation of this style, I'm going to put my hair in a bun. That way the combs will be able to stay in place and nothing is slipping or anything like that. Here I'm just adding some more gel and just some areas that I feel had a little, frizzies going on or whatever. And to top it off, we are going to put a scarf on and leave it on for roughly 10 to 20 minutes, however long it takes for your hair to dry completely. After about 15 minutes, my hair was completely dry, and I will do a 360 so that you can see what the aftermath looks like, and you can see the texture of my hair and then the texture of this ponytail, y'all. Now, this is probably the most realistic ponytail I have ever had, especially with it being a synthetic ponytail. And with this, as you can see, it does have the wraparound, which is what makes this thing so seamless and just everything to me. And it's really just that simple, you guys. You just put in those 3 combs, wrap it around maybe 1 time, sometimes 2 times if you choose to. For me, I chose once because just comfort, and because this is a kinky texture, that hair's not going nowhere. So and that's literally all you have to do. And for this, because it's already big, I did not do much fluffing or any manipulation to this. This is simply it just coming out the pack. And look at that, y'all. Like, it looks like it could be my ponytail. I love the little springies at the end. Like, I think they are so cute. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Again, this is the Springy Afro by Outre. And if you have any questions or if you would like to see any other ponytails, just let me know. But again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next go round.